What's up, y'all? Hey! Peace! How you doing? Yo, yo, yo! It's me! What's up? Yo, cuz! Hater! What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Lauren Lord, also known as LoLo Galore. And you know what I'm saying? We're here for all things low. And today, I'm going to bring to you how to do a natural blowout kind of look. So, as you can see, these have been in my hair for quite some time. It's been like 5 days since I had this on. I mean, oh, dang. Okay, so it's been about 5 days since I've had these pigtails in, and I look like a little girl, but it's okay. Now, what I'm going to do is take these out and brush it. It's literally that simple, y'all. And if you want, you don't even have to do like French braids or braids to the scalp, whatever you want to call them. You can literally do like about 4 individual braids. It also depends on the thickness of your hair, because my hair is thick kind of, but it's also a little fine as well. So there's that. For me, I'm able to get away with 2 braids for that reason. If your hair is a little thicker, then I would suggest some individual plaits and do the same exact thing that I'm about to show you. I'm about to show you. Guess what? I'm giving you the tea. Guess what? I'm putting you on. Guess what? I'm giving you the secret. Guess what? It's easy, y'all. It's easy. Okay, so here we go. So I'm literally gonna spray it just a little bit. Like I said, my hair is kind of fine, so if I spray too much water, then it's going to curl up. It's not gonna be poofy and huge like I want it to be, and that's the goal. So here we go. Little razzle dazzle, boom. Little razzle dazzle, boom. Okay. So I've officially taken out the braid. Now add some BAM! All in your face. Yes. Y'all, if you can see, it's almost gone. I literally love this stuff. It's almost gone. I love it. Clearly. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit. Since this is gonna be like combed out, real poofy big look, I definitely want to focus on the ends, because you know you always want to make sure that you take care of your ends. Your ends are like the elders of your hair. You gotta respect your elders, always. And if you want to, like I said, my hair is kind of fine, so I'm gonna tease it a little bit at the root, just to add some of that fullness. That's what we're working with so far, y'all. But I'm gonna get you right, okay? I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Y'all, hold on. First of all, why didn't y'all tell me that other braid looked like this? Because this would have just been a braid out, okay? This literally would have been a braid out. Y'all, usually when I do this style, I have recently washed my hair and I had been wearing it on a top knot. Now, when I put my hair on a top knot, it stretches my hair because, you know, I brush it down. And then, you know, with the wrapping effect, it will stretch out my hair. So by the time I take the bun down or the top knot and comb it out, it's literally just like boom. If you follow me on Instagram at LoLo_Galore, then you'll be able to see that I posted, I have this big like blown out hair, kind of like this. And it's from previously wearing my hair in a top knot and then just combing it right out. Of course, adding, you know, the essentials. But y'all, look at this definition. I'm officially mad at y'all. Officially. because now I have to mess it up. This would have been a cute braid out. A cute 2-braid braid out. I could cry, but I'm not because I'm a G. We just proceed. And when I did these French braids, whatever you want to call them, that's exactly what I used. I used the Shea Moisture Jamaican Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. I used the styling cream, and I think that's it. But yeah. Tip: since you want your hair to be big, voluptuous, you know what I'm saying, voluminous, then it's best not to brush down when you are brushing out. You want to brush kind of out. That way your hair is kind of like training your hair to poof rather than lay. Major key. Let's see where we are right now. Okay. And you see she's coming together. She's coming together. Because for this one, since my hair was in pigtails, what I'm probably going to do is pin it a little bit at the edges, just so that hair that had been laid down, it kind of still is laid down a little bit. Or I might just do bobby pins. Then you just, you know what I'm saying, go in. You can use an afro pick. You can use either a pick or like a wide tooth comb and just go in and kind of lift it up at the roots. Here we are, I have blown my hair out. Oh. JK. And then to top it off, you know what I'm saying? To top it off, you just add some big hoop earrings. And boom, honey. Yes. Tease it just a little bit since it was laying down. And then voila. Oh, hold on. Gotta catch this. Because at this point, we're going to have like a little mini photo shoot. Whoa! Honey! 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 So for a little recap, if your hair is a little fine like mine, you can wear a top knot. And once you take the top knot down, just moisturize and brush out your hair. Or you can do braids. So you can do a few, very few individual braids, because like you noticed, you don't want your hair to come out like a braid out. You want it to come out really poofy, you know? So individual braids, or you can do 2 French braids, and then just make sure, you know, you do moisturize, because moisturization is is key, okay? And once you're taking it out, you're gonna moisturize, brush out, and hope you guys enjoyed. Again, my name is Lauren Lord, also known as LoLo Galore, because this channel is for all things low. You might get a hair tutorial, you might get a DIY, you might get a vlog, you never know, you might get a style video, whatever they call it. You never know. All things low. That's why it's called LoLo Galore. But I am Lauren Lord. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys try this. I want to see pictures. Tag me, whatever. Follow me on Instagram at LoLo_Galore. So I forgot. If you guys like my shirt, definitely check out my girl Evan. Follow her on Instagram at NAVESZN. She did this. She's dope. Follow her for more dope content. Oh, my earrings. Why you didn't tell me my earring came out? Found her. And I think she's still selling these. If not, then I'm hella exclusive. But she has other stuff that you can purchase if in the event this one is not available. After I continue playing with my hair and loving on it, I definitely do want to say tip number one, it's best to do individual braids rather than hairball. It's best to do individual braids rather than braiding to the scalp, even if you only do two, just because with having your hair lay, it kind of gets used to laying. So especially if your hair is fine like mine. Damn, I look cute. And now you have a photo shoot. Deuces! I hope you guys got something out of this. Peace and love, y'all. Bye.